Children, now we are going to learn about the conversion in density. Two units of density are there, how they are related to each other, or what is the relation between them. First of all, let's recapitulate. What is density? Yes, density is mass per unit volume. SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. Kg is the SI unit of mass and meter cube is the SI unit of volume. Other unit, if you remember, it was gram per centimeter cube. Gram is the unit of mass, centimeter cube is the unit of volume. Then we have the relation between these two units, how these two units are related. Some of the children had a doubt. I had written this relationship last time that 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So children had the doubt that how 1 gram is equal to 1000 kg, although 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So children, I am going to solve it here and then you see how the relationship comes. I am starting from which unit? SI unit of density. Now 1 kg I am converting into grams. This you must be knowing very well. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then I am converting 1 meter cube to centimeter cube. Now 1 meter cube means I am multiplying meter how many times? Yes, 3 times. Meter into meter into meter. And 1 meter is equal to how much in centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 3 times I have to multiply 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. That comes out to be 10 lakh centimeter cube. Solve this. After solution, you find it is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram per centimeter. Now I cross multiply and take 1000 on the left hand side. So 1000 kg per meter cube is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. I hope children your doubt must be cleared. Then some of the students asked where we can use this relationship. What is the use of this? The use of this is that suppose any density is given in this unit, gram per centimeter cube, and we want to know what is the value of the density in kg per meter cube, then we can apply this relation. I'll just take a numerical that 5 gram per centimeter cube. I want to know how much it comes out in SI unit of density. SI unit is kg per meter cube. So what do? Yes, we apply this relation. 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Therefore, I write here 5 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 5 into 1000 kg per meter cube. So answer comes out to be, answer here will be how much? 5000 kg per meter cube. This will be the answer. So this is how the relation between these two can be taken, two units can be taken. Children, if you remember, you had learnt about numerical value of density of water. Do you remember what was it? Yes. In gram per centimeter cube, its value was 1 gram per centimeter cube, and in kg per meter cube, the value was 1000 kg per meter